Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to revolutionize your music experience? I just got my hands on the Google Bookshelf speakers and I'm blown away. With their immersive 360 degrees sound, you'll feel like you're right in the middle of the action, surrounded by rich, room-filling audio with clear vocals, detailed highs, and deep bass. The sound is so detailed you can almost feel the texture of the instruments. This speaker is designed for music and entertainment, and it truly delivers, whether you're listening to your favorite tunes, podcasts, or audiobooks. You can even pair two compatible speakers together for a wider soundstage and enhanced stereo performance throughout your space, creating an incredible soundscape that fills the entire room. The modern design with multiple color options is sleek and contemporary, available in various colors to complement any home decor style, from the soft touch of the sage to the vibrant feel of the berry. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The premium sound quality and simple operation make it perfect for everyday entertainment. Whether you're hosting a party, relaxing after a long day, or just want to enjoy your favorite music, this speaker is the perfect choice. The stereo pairing capability takes your music experience to the next level, and the multiple color options ensure it will fit seamlessly into your home. With the Google Bookshelf speakers, you'll never miss a beat, and the best part is, it's incredibly easy to use. So why settle for mediocre sound when you can have an extraordinary experience? Upgrade your music game with the Google Bookshelf speakers, and discover a whole new world of sound. Trust me, you won't regret it. The sound quality and design are top-notch, making it a must-have for any music lover. If this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.